driving a beautiful mountain pass like this that you can really get to grips with driving the new Mercedes-Benz E-Class. On the outside, it's got the smooth, sculpted lines, particularly that AMG kit here doesn't harm, it makes it look that extra bit sporty. But it's not about being sporty, it's about comfort. It's smooth, it's elegant, and the 220d motor, well, that badge denotes serious efficiency. This car will give you with ease 1,000 kilometers, make it the ultimate road trip journey car. It would be beautiful. We got seats which are heated, they ventilated, they sculpted in here, and with the triple display at the center of the dash, the Mercedes-Benz Hyperscreen and the latest MBUX technology, well, there's a lot to talk about. In fact, let's pull to the side of the road and discuss some of its technological advancements. Welcome to the Mercedes-Benz Hyperscreen here in the latest generation E-Class. Now this is very impressive. We got a camera lens here that lets you do things like zoom in and have a look at yourself, perhaps a video conference. You also got three big displays here, 3D I might add, particularly that driver's display. It really is cool. I first saw it on the S-Class. Then we got the one in front of me here for the passenger. In this case, we've got a compass, but you can jump into it. You can go into your full controls and layout here. For example, if me as the passenger wants to enjoy some content, some media, maybe set the seats, the heating, the ventilation, the seat kinetic functions, it all lives here. Then you got the central display. It's huge. We can jump into navigation. Of course, we got the likes of wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto on offer. That gives you all your connected and streaming services at the click of a button. And in front of the driver, we got a heads-up display, 4D surround sound, as well as I mentioned, that cool 3D digital instrumentation cluster. In terms of a technological marvel, well, this E-Class is hitting very hard. It's bringing all the latest in the AMG line styling, the looks, the comfort, but it's also the seriously impressive technological advancements.